This video walks you through how to change account type in QuickBooks. Begin in QuickBooks Online and make sure the correct company is already open. If you work with more than one company, take a moment to confirm that you are in the right file before making changes to the chart of accounts. From there, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the menu with Company Tools and Account Settings. Under the section labeled Your Company, select Chart of Accounts. That will bring up the full list of accounts currently set up for this company. In the Chart of Accounts, find a specific account you want to update. Move carefully here, especially if you have several accounts with similar names. Make sure you select the correct account before continuing, since the change will apply only to the account you edit. Once you have located it, go to the Action column on the same row, click the drop-down arrow, then choose Edit. This opens the account window where you can update the account settings. Inside that window, look for the field labeled Account Type. This is the setting that controls how QuickBooks classifies the account in your books and reports. Open the Account Type dropdown, then choose the new account type you want to use. After selecting the new account type, check the Detail Type field if it appears for that account. Review the current detail type and update it if needed so it matches the new account type you selected. This keeps the account classification aligned within QuickBooks. When the account type and detail type look correct, click Save and Close. QuickBooks may display a confirmation message about changing the account type. If that message appears, read through it before proceeding, then confirm the change to continue. After the update is saved, return to the chart of accounts. Find the same account again and verify that it now shows the new account type. This final check confirms that the edit was applied and that the account is now categorized the way you intended. If you do not see the change right away, give the page a moment to refresh and look at the account row again. The key point is to confirm the update in the chart after saving, rather than assuming the change went through. Thanks for watching. The selected account in QuickBooks now uses the new account type.